To show the date above the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap Wallpaper and Style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap the clock, tap Style, and then tap the gray on off switch next to show date above clock until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, your phone is now displaying the date above the lock screen clock. Given to the function, putting the date above the clock helps make the lock screen look cleaner and more balanced, especially if you are using a large clock style. It also keeps the date easier to spot at the top of the screen, so you can see it quickly without scanning around. That's why, even it's just a small change, it can make your lock screen easier to read at a glance. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.